turn with this week's Science and Tech News. Last week, astronauts celebrated the 15th anniversary of humans living on the International Space Station, otherwise known as the ISS. Back in 1998, the first ISS component was launched into orbit, and by the year 2000, it was ready for people. A Soyuz rocket brought the first wave of residents to the station, and it's now the largest artificial body in orbit, with astronauts taking turns staying up there. You can actually see it with the naked eye from Earth. It's powered by a blend of solar arrays, pressurized modules, and other gadgetry, and serves as an ideal space environment for scientific experiments ranging from biology to astronomy. Over the last 15 years, research from the ISS has shown up in 1,200 scientific publications. As the ISS circled our planet, space put on quite the fireworks show when the torrid meteor shower lit up the sky with fireballs. The annual meteor shower shot 2 to 10 meteors across the sky per hour, and they'll peak from November 5th to the 12th. If you're in North America, you're in luck because that's where they'll be visible. This is an especially good year for the torids, since there won't be a full moon trying to hog the spotlight from them, so you have a real shot at seeing one whiz by. They're named after the Taurus the Bull constellation, which sends out 2 different branches of the shower, the South Torids and the North Torids. What is a meteor exactly? Well, asteroids are rocky bodies that fly through space, and they become meteors when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. From outer space to planet Earth, Google's self-driving cars are learning how to act around kids, and Google drone deliveries launch in 2017. Let's start with the smart cars. Google's self-driving prototype vehicles recently took advantage of the Halloween fun to learn how to recognize kids even when they're in unfamiliar costumes. They invited them to the company's Mountain View headquarters and had the children stand around parked cars so the self-driving vehicle could practice seeing them with its sensors and software. In fact, Google's self-driving cars are extra careful when they detect children, since youngsters can be so unpredictable. They can dart suddenly across the street and aren't easy to notice behind parked cars, so the gumdrop-shaped Google prototype is fine-tuned to deal with them. Meanwhile, Google X, the company's secret lab, is developing delivery drones in its Project Wing program, which they'll launch by 2017. What other high-tech gadget zips around on its own for deliveries? An R2-D2-like robot from Skype, which will bring groceries to you. Yep, the co-founders of the Skype messaging service built an autonomous self-driving robot that can carry up to 20 pounds, which is about 2 grocery bags. And it'll only cost customers around $1.50 per trip and deliver in under half an hour. It'll navigate sidewalks at about 4 miles per hour and intelligently avoid bumping into pedestrians. It's currently being developed by a newly launched company, Starship Technologies, which hopes to have a prototype model and pilot services ready next year.